Okay, how to get the factors of the following quadratic trinomial. Okay, I will teach you how to get the factors of the given. Okay, number 1, 3x squared plus 11x minus 4. Okay, as we can see, ang ating given ay automatic na factorable. Okay, since we're going to use the factoring method in quadratic trinomial, ang gagawin mo lang dito, okay, ito yung ating value ng A. Mumultiply mo lang tayo dun sa ating value ng C. Kaya, kokopyahin mo lang x squared plus 11x minus 3 times 4 is 12. Again, ang naging step 1 natin dito, yung value ng A, yung nasa unahan, imumultiply mo lang sa constant. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng x squared plus 11x minus 12. Then, madali natin itong factor. Kasi wala tayong value dun sa numerical coefficient. Okay? Ang variable natin ay x, ilalagay lang natin dito. Then, yung constant natin, which is negative 12, then yung ating middle term ay 11. So meaning, ang pinakamadaling factors dito ay yung kanyang number, yung constant number, at saka yung 1. Okay, so meaning, sa negative 12, ang factors natin ay negative 12 times positive 1. Okay, dahil pag inad mo to, meron tayong negative 11. Pero since positive 11 yon, babaliktad din natin ang sign. Positive 12 at saka negative 1. Kapag minultiply natin yon, 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. Kapag naman inad natin yon, 12 minus 1 is 11. So meaning, x plus 12 and x minus 1. Then after that, i-divide natin both sides by value of a, yung tinanggal natin kanina, which is 3. 3. Okay, then x plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, wala naman tayong magiging dito, cross multiply lang. 3 times x is 3x, bring down negative 1. Kasi ang kinukuha natin ay factors. Ang sagot natin ay the quantity of x plus 4 and the quantity of 3x minus 1 kahit siya ay magkabaliktad. Okay? Next, sa given number 2, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Okay, gawin natin. Ang value ng a dito ay 2. Multiply natin doon. X squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay, madali lang ulit ito. Maglagay lang ulit tayo ng quantity. Ang variable na ginamit ay x. Then, negative 6 yon. Ang factors niya ay medyo malapit to kasi consecutive sila uli. Okay, ang gagawin? Sa 6 lang ulit, tsaka 1. Since negative yon, mas malaki ang negative. Kaya positive to. Okay, negative 6 times positive 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Kaya ang sagot, x minus 6 and x plus 1. Okay, now, ito na yung ating factors. Hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron tayong tinanggal na numerical value na 2. Divide both sides by 2. Okay, x, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Then, cross multiply uli. 2 times x is 2x. Bring down positive 1. Kaya ang factors natin dito ay x minus 3 and 2x plus 1.